Well, we're starting off the vlog bright and early. It is currently 8 a.m. I was gonna hit up some garage sales this morning, but I'll be honest with you guys, I went out drinking till like, I don't know, 1 or so, so I'm too tired for that. I am gonna be doing garage sales tomorrow, Sunday. Today's Saturday. I'm just gonna be hitting up some thrift stores, kind of doing in the area. I am gonna be meeting up with the guy right before a thrift store, which you guys will be seeing right after this, to sell him the paddleboard that we got. You guys saw we thrifted for $20, for $400, then I put it down to $350. Someone offered $280. I said, can you do $300? He said, yeah, that sounds fair. So if everything checks out, if he wants it, then I'm gonna sell for $300. So that basically $20 turned into $300 in the matter of a few days, a couple days, about 3 or 4 days. So let's see if he buys it. If he does, then hey, that's a hell of a sale and that's a hell of a start to a day, you know? $300 day just like that. So yeah, let's head down. Let's meet up with the guy. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you haven't, check the link down below, emcvlogs.com. Everything that I'm showing you is listed for sale. I have about 80 items listed for sale, so make sure you guys go do it. Every purchase does help support Make these daily videos. So enough said, let's get it, guys. Take a look at it. Ugh. One of the zippers is busted. Yeah.
Fine. I'm barely gonna ever use a zipper.
But it still holds and everything.
It holds the air and all that?
Yeah. If you want, we could sit here and you can pump it up real quick.
Hell fuck no, it's gonna take us forever.
It takes about 5 minutes. It takes about... No, yeah, well, that's why I wanted to get here a little early.
Yeah.
But I have pictures of it inflated and everything.
Hey man, I take your word for it. Worst case scenario.
If anything happens, you have my number, and honestly, I'm an honest guy. You can you could shoot me a message, and then we can figure out from there. Here's it fully
perfect,
blown up and everything.
Worst case scenario, I'll contact the company. Because
okay.
I have another one. I'll contact the company and tell them, hey, listen, you know.
Yeah, maybe it's under warranty. They just patch it up or swap it up or.
Exactly. Yeah, 300.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Brother. Thank you.
Just like that, $300 cash. I asked him, I was like, yo, we could sit here and blow it up if you want to. He's like, hell no, it's gonna take way too long. He's like, and you got somewhere to be? He's like, it's good. He's like, if there's any problems, he said he had another one. He's like, if there's any problems, I can just contact the company and maybe they swap it out or maybe they patch it up or anything like that. So yeah, guys, we spent $20 on that on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, so we turned $20 into $300 in the matter of a few days. And you know, that's just me randomly walking to a thrift store and found that, and I was like, yo, that's a cool thing. So it's like, you never know what you're gonna find, and money's always out there. But now let's head to the thrift store and see if we can find some more things. So today's thrift store's finds, we have this Polo Ralph Lauren, all embroidered riders on the back, number 5 on the sleeve, and on the front we do have the more embroidery, Polo Ralph Lauren Company, the International 1967 Challenger Cup. There's no brand. I'm probably gonna end up leaving it, but I just thought it was super cool. The print, it almost reminded me of Ralph Lauren. We did find this, almost reminds me of like inside a church. Well, obviously it is religious, but brand new. I'm gonna leave this also, but we found this Christian Dior men's blazer in like the tan colorway. It's just these don't sell for much, like 20-25 bucks, and then they want $10 for it, so we're gonna leave that. Then I am picking up this wetsuit. You guys just saw we just sold the paddleboard, so wet stuff like water sports stuff sells really well. So this is $7.50 half off. I'll probably list it for like 50. And then super fire, I wish this was a bigger size, but we have the Mickey spell out on the back. And then on the front, we have the little Mickey hit right there. So fire, I really wish this was a bigger size. Then my friend did find these women jeans. Pretty sick. I don't know if she's keeping it or if she's selling them. Super sick, like carpenter pants. And this vintage Made in USA baby fat. Sadly, that thrift store was kind of dry. The Mickey jacket was cool, and you know, I wish it was a bigger size. If it was my size, I would 100% keep it, but you know, it wasn't bad. At least we left with something. It's better than leaving with something than leaving with nothing. But let's hit up to store number 2. Let's hope we find something good, guys. Let's continue this trip to the thrift. Just came to this place called the Bagel Club to get a little breakfast, and we were looking at it, and like they have like a little lounge over there. Like this is just like the bagel section. But then like actually in there is a full lounge. We ordered the same thing, but we ended up getting a plain bagel with American cheese and egg with cream cheese on the inside. Mine looks better. Look at mine compared to yours.
Well, fuck you.
Stop, don't take mine, no. Hey, stop. Seriously, stop.
I'm getting yours now.
I just dropped her off for the day. She's gonna get her hair done. I had no idea that it takes like 5-6 hours for girls to get their hair done. Like, and it's like $400, guys. Like, yo, well, when girls say, hey babe, you wanna go get my hair? Or like, go pay for my hair? Don't fall for it, it's a trap. You would think it's like, you know, guys cuts, I pay what, $25 for a cut? $30 at the most. So you're thinking like, okay, girls' haircuts should be like, you know, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. No shot. It's like 400 and something. It's insane. It's insane. But let's go hit up a thrift store and see if we can make some money, you know? We're pulling up to it now. Let's get it, guys. Well, we walk in, we find some vintage Tommy Hilfiger, 3232. Has a little Tommy flag. Let's see if we can find anything in the actual shirt section. So the finds it today, I'll be honest, I don't know this brand, Ask. It has Ask British Culture, but I thought it was kind of cool, like a bubble jacket, the tricolor. Then on the back, it does have some branding. I'm gonna look it up. Ask Inquired, see if it's worth anything. I have no idea, it could be worth nothing. And then we did find this Universal Studios tagged Duff beer. Has a little beer pocket, super sick with the Velcro. So that way you can keep your beer nice and cold, little koozie. Such a sick hoodie. I might low-key keep this for myself just so I can use it for when I'm drinking beer. I don't know if I'm gonna get this also. We have a Coachella actual branded merch. Has a Coachella and like the rainbow logo. Super sick, 2017. Oh, I thought this was the Golden State Warriors. It's not. Golden State Dubs. 5K. Oh, no, it is. I don't know. No. Yeah, it is. World Champions, Golden State. But it says Golden State Dubs. Comeback 5 times. I don't know. I gotta look this up. I'm so confused by this. Dub Nation, maybe? We'll see. But either way, this is a pretty cool shirt, I thought. Then this I have to look up as well. 2016. And then the fade on this is so nice. This FSU big logo. Super sick. Sadly, nothing crazy, no crazy finds today. Or at least at that thrift store. We are headed back home. I'm gonna see how Captain's doing. I have a lot of stuff to list. Make sure you guys check out link down below, emcvlogs.com. I'm listing stuff every single day throughout the day, and every purchase does help to make these daily videos. You know, it helps support make these videos. So every purchase, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. So yeah, I ended up grabbing everything that I showed you guys except for the Nike Copa America shirts. I got the Duff hoodie, I got the Tommy jeans, I got that Ask bubble jacket. Again, I don't know that brand, I've never heard of it. I tried looking up, couldn't really find anything on it, but I feel like the colors on it were cool. It's winter time, so I feel like a ski jacket or a bubble jacket like that should sell fairly easy. And it will be linked down below, emcvlogs.com. I have to keep plugging. You know, you have to just keep going. I want this website to be a huge thing that people can get good vintage for, you know, less than eBay prices. I actually just listed the Supreme shirt for $120 yesterday. I might lower it down to $100. It's basically brand new, and brand new on StockX, it's like $250 or $200 plus. So I figured at $100, $120, if someone wants it, they don't have to spend, you know, the full $200 to get basically a brand new Supreme shirt. So I don't know, I'm gonna see what it is. I just listed it yesterday for $120. If no one buys it within maybe a few days, then I'll lower it to $100. But yeah, let's head back home and see how Captain's doing. And then I'll probably head to another thrift store and just kind of continue, but I have to quickly go home and take some photos so I can get all this stuff listed, because, you know, we just got trash bags of stuff, and if we're doing this every single day, I'm never gonna catch up. I'm always gonna be having inventory that's sitting. So let's go see how the little man's doing.